Hi all, this is a quick video to show you how to filter a pivot chart by value. So normal charts you can't filter by value, but pivot chart you can filter by value. So what you do is you highlight the data that you want to show in your pivot chart, go to insert, then go to pivot chart, select pivot chart, press OK. Right, now you have a blank chart. So what you need to do is move your months or whatever data you have to axis category, what is axis categories, right? Then you move your value to values. If let's make this line chart, go chart type, go line. Right, let's say you don't want to show any amount below 60. Right, so what you need to do is drag a value to the filters, then you tick select multiple items. So if you don't want to show below 60, so untick all these below 60, then you press OK, click on OK. Now it doesn't show anything below 60. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.